In a vibrant jungle, Leo the lion lay weak beneath a sprawling baobab tree. His friends gathered around him, worry etched on their faces. Polly the parrot flapped her colorful wings. "We can't lose Leo. He's the heart of our jungle." Benny the elephant nodded gravely. "What can we do? He needs help fast." "I have an idea," Polly chirped excitedly. "Let's find the magical herbs from the misty mountains. They can heal him." Milo the monkey swung down from a branch, his eyes sparkling. "I'll gather the healing fruits. They're rich in vitamins. And I'll dig to find fresh water." Ruby the rabbit piped up, determination in her voice. With a plan in place, they set off, but dark clouds gathered overhead. "A storm is coming," Benny warned, his ears flapping nervously. "Stick together," Polly shouted, leading them through the thickening jungle. The rain poured down, but they pressed on, united by their mission. After a treacherous journey, they finally reached the misty mountains. Benny used his massive strength to uproot the magical herbs, while Milo scampered around, picking bright, healing fruits. "Look at these!" Milo laughed, tossing a shiny fruit to Polly. "We've got plenty." Just then, a landslide rumbled above them. "Quick, hold on to me!" Benny shouted, using his trunk to pull everyone to safety. Once the danger passed, Ruby dug eagerly at the base of a hill, discovering a sparkling spring. "I found fresh water," she exclaimed, splashing it excitedly. With their haul secured, they raced back to Leo. "We're back!" Polly cried out, her heart racing with hope. They hurriedly mixed the herbs with the fruits and offered them to Leo. "Drink this, Leo, you'll feel better," Ruby said, gently nudging him. Hours passed, and just when they feared the worst, Leo's eyes fluttered open. "What happened?" he murmured, weak but curious. "You were sick, but we wouldn't let you go," Benny replied, his voice full of pride. "Thanks to our teamwork," Polly added, her eyes shining. "We brought you the best healing things." Feeling the warmth of his friends, Leo smiled, his strength returning. "You saved me. Together, we are unstoppable."
In the jungle, green and bright, friends came together, what a sight. Leo was sick, but we didn't despair. With teamwork and love, we showed we care. Happily, we stand as one, working together, oh what fun. Through storms and trials, we found our way. United we are, come what may. Happily, we stand as one, working together, oh what fun. Through storms and trials, we found our way. United we are, come what may. With hearts so brave, we face the fight. In friendship's glow, everything feels right. Leo as well, our spirits soar. In this jungle, we'll always explore. With hearts so brave, we face the fight. In friendship's glow, everything feels right. Leo as well, our spirits soar. In this jungle, we'll always explore. Happily, we stand as one, working together, oh what fun. Through storms and trials, we found our way. United we are, come what may.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to my channel.